Hello everyone. Let's learn color names. Are you ready? Let's go. Yellow, yellow. Now let's name things that are yellow color. Lemon, yellow lemon. Sunflower, sunflower. Sun, sun is yellow. Lemon is yellow. Sunflower is yellow. Sun is yellow. Blue, blue. Now let's name things that are blue. Blue whale, blue whale. Blue pants, blue pants. Blueberries, blueberries. Green, green. Now let's name things that are green. Leaf, green leaf. Frog, frog. Turtle, turtle. Leaf, frog and the turtle are all green color. Red, red. Let's name things that are red. Apple, apple, red apple. Strawberry, strawberry. Chili, chili. Apple, strawberry and chili, they are all red color. White, white. Let's name things that are white. White lily. Clouds, clouds. Swan, swan. Cloud, swan and lily, they are all white color. Purple, purple. Let's name things that are purple. Eggplant, eggplant. Grapes, grapes. Flower, flowers. Eggplant, grapes, and these flowers are all purple colors. Black, black. let's name things that are black. Bow, bow. Crow, crow. Spider, spider. So bow, crow and the spider are all black color. Orange, orange. Now let's name things that are orange. Orange, orange. Carrot, carrot. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.